Lesson 4. Personal pronouns. We have just learned that every English sentence should start with a subject. Most of these subjects are just personal pronouns. In singular, we've got I when I'm talking about myself, you when I'm talking to one person, he when I'm talking about one boy, she when I'm talking about one girl, and it when I'm talking about one object. Then in plural, we go with we when I'm talking about myself and one other person, at least one other person, you when I'm talking to other people, and they when I'm talking about other people, not straight into their faces.